I just started to rely everything in my life purely on what I think. At the same time, building up emotional blockages and emotional walls, nothing to penetrate, and at the same time also nothing to express to the outside.
Shi Heng explains that breaking old patterns begins with awareness. The patterns that control life are rarely dramatic on the outside. They are subtle, repetitive reactions inside the mind and body that keep creating the same experiences again and again, even when a person says they want change. These patterns are made of thoughts, emotions, and bodily impulses that have been rehearsed for years. So they feel like, this is just who I am. As long as someone is fully identified with them, there is no distance, and therefore, no freedom. So the first movement is to slow down enough to notice, in which situations do the same thoughts arise, the same emotional storm appears, the same way of escaping or attacking shows up.
Now, having entered into like a very new circumstance in my life where I need to take into consideration the opinion and the emotional state of my beloved, of my partner, of my son, I can feel how my old patterns sometimes are still trying to sneak in. And so the only thing to do is what to do to break patterns. Number one, you need to see you have one. And number two, you need to replace old patterns, which ultimately mean patterns, it's habitual behavior, it's habits. How do you build habits? By continuous behavioral patterns that you continuously do. So there is something about consistency and continuity that ultimately builds a pattern. And this is now where, for example, in this field of martial arts, that's exactly what it's about. Consistency of having a training regimen every day. This is, it's not helpful to like 6 days per week do nothing and then you go one day to the gym and give your everything. No. It's better you have some type of consistency throughout the whole day. This is what builds patterns, healthy patterns.
Shi Heng explains that if a certain way of thinking and acting has not worked the last 10 times, it is unwise to repeat it and expect a different future. Breaking old patterns requires consciously choosing a different response in the very moment the old reaction wants to take over. This might mean staying silent instead of attacking, remaining present instead of escaping into distraction, or taking one small, disciplined action instead of surrendering to laziness. At first, this feels uncomfortable because the familiar pattern is being interrupted, but with repetition, the new response starts to form a new pattern. He also highlights the balance between clear direction and openness. Have a clear intention of who you want to become, but be flexible about how life leads you there. Step by step, through awareness, honest observation, non-identification, and repeated new choices, the old pattern loses its power, and a more conscious life takes shape.
Then all the way up, inhale. Out. And 1. 2.
This posture grounds your energy, calms your nervous system, and brings you into the present moment. It's the posture of stillness, like a tree rooted in the earth. Many people experience a wave of peace or warmth flowing through the body within just a few minutes.
3. 4. 5. Inhale. 6. Inhale. Push the palms up. Push. Again, 3 more times. In. Seven. And one more time. 8. Now regulate one time. Bring both arms next to the body. Inhale, push up on the toes, in. Out.
This posture awakens your energy centers, especially the heart and lungs. It opens up your chest,
In.
improves breathing, and encourages the flow of qi, energy, through the meridians. It's great for emotional healing and heart-centered energy work.
Out. And 1. Two. 3. 4. Inhale. Push up on the toes. 5. Inhale. Six. Inhale. And 7. In.
This movement opens the shoulders and lungs, releases emotional tension, and promotes circulation in the upper body. Many practitioners report a sense of emotional release and lightness after a few rounds.
One more time. And 8. Inhale.
Regulate one time. Bring both arms in front of the chest. Now right arm up, left arm down. Inhale. Drop. Left up, right down. In. Exhale. Right arm again. In. And 2. Three.
This posture helps you connect with universal energy, what Qigong masters call heavenly Qi. It's like an energetic shower that clears blockages, reduces stress, and strengthens your immune system.
4. 5. 6. 7.
Practice them, and over time, the body begins to whisper secrets, and one day, even the loudest pain becomes silent.